Soltaire is a sophisticated sliding door hardware system designed to accommodate interior and exterior doors weighing up to 120, 180 or 250 kilograms. The system is extremely reliable and offers exceptional weather and corrosion resistance due to its 316 marine-grade stainless steel components. Soft stop and low headroom kits are available as optional extras. Prior to installation, the door will require some routing detail to fit the flush pulls and to create the guide channel in the bottom of the door. The kit: track, brackets and fittings, track stops, floor guide, hangers, apron plates and fixing screws, oval flush pulls. The tools: spanners, drill bits, tape measure, pencil, screwdriver, socket wrench, spirit level, tri-square, Allen key. Fitting the apron plates: measure along the top edge of the door according to the measurements found in the fitting instructions and mark with a pencil. Use the tri-square to draw a vertical line through the marking, then mark out the center point on this line. This marks the positioning of where the center of the apron plate should be placed. Place the apron plate over the marking into the correct position, ensuring it is parallel to the edge of the door. Mark the screw holes with the pencil before screwing into position, creating pilot holes first if necessary. Repeat this step for the second apron plate on the opposite side. Preparing the track. Drill the clearance holes in the track to attach the brackets. To do this, first measure 50 mm along from one end of the track and mark the center position with a pencil. Repeat this at the opposite end of the track, so you have a marking in the center point at each end. Create two more evenly spaced markings in the middle of the track, so you have 4 pencil markings altogether. Drill holes through each of the 4 markings. Load the hangers and stop into one end of the track. Place the bolt into the first clearance hole and secure the first bracket into place using the spanner and socket wrench. Secure the 2 middle brackets into position before loading the second stop into the opposite end of the track and securing the final bracket into position. The hangers and stops should slide freely in the track. Fitting the track. Measure the height of where the center of the track brackets should be fixed in accordance to the measurements in the instructions. Do this on both sides of the opening. Line up the holes in the brackets with the marking you just made, using a spirit level to ensure the track is level. Mark out the rest of the bracket holes with a pencil. Drill the holes and secure the track into position. Tighten the brackets from underneath the track to fully secure. Hanging the door. Lift the door and hang onto the track. Ensure the door runs smoothly along the track. Check the clearance along the bottom of the door, ensuring it is of equal measurement across the entire width. Adjust the hangers accordingly, using the spanner to lift the door up or down. Fixing the floor guide and stops. Ensuring the door is level, slide it over the floor guide in order to check its correct position. Mark out the pilot holes and screw the guide securely into place. Slide the door into the closed position in order to get the placement of the doorstop. Tighten the stop into the track using an Allen key. Do this on both sides of the track, depending on where you want the final closing and opening positions to be. Flush pulls are provided and can be fitted separately if required.